Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Suresh from SDET Automation channel. Today in this session, we will see about one of the problem statement that most of the automation testers face, which is nothing but taking a screenshot and storing it into a location. I mean, this everyone knows, but if you wanted to take a tons of screenshot, like I not only take one screenshot, right? I may have thousand test cases. For thousand test cases, I need to capture thousand screenshots, and I cannot hard code them like a screenshot 1 2 3 like that. So how we can resolve that issue? So let's get started. So this is a one of the example for a login module. So if I simply execute this will execute and do a login. So this doesn't have any kind of screenshot utility function, but I will create that now. So to create that, so we already have a web driver. So this is a web driver, and I'm invoking a Firefox driver, and this is doing a login. So now in a new line, so to capture a screenshot, what we need a file system which is from the Java IO, and this I will name it as source. And then in this line, so I am doing a typecast here, take a screenshot. I'm calling a take a screenshot utility function, which is a interface which will be there with along with the WebDriver. So this is a driver reference, and then dot get screenshot. So get screenshot, and this get screenshot as we need to provide as output type. So this output type I can type output type dot. So this is dot file. So this is a one line. So this will help you to take a screenshot. Then followed by we need to know what kind of format that we need to provide. So to provide that format, so I can use a simple string function. So using this timestamp, I can append this with my one of the name called screenshot. So after a screenshot, this timestamp will be appended so that every screenshot will have a unique name. So I'm creating a object reference for this simple timestamp. So this is, so in this I need to provide what kind of value I need to provide into a screenshot by appending that in the end of the name. So to do that, I can provide in a string format. So I can provide YYY, which is a year, underscore which is a month, then date, DD, then followed by hours, minutes, and seconds. So here, this month and minutes are will be same, right? So month I will provide in a uppercase and followed by a dot format. So this format will be a new date. So date function. So this is the line we need to provide. Now next, we need to append this with my take a screenshot. So take screenshot is from files src, and now file utils dot copy file. So source, so this is my source, and here a new file. So I need to provide a name for it. So to provide that name, I need to know where is my location. So I need to create a location for that image file. So using the same project, I will create a folder name called images. So this folder I will create. So this is here. So I will go here, and I will create image and screenshot. So this is the simple one. Now next, using this function, the timestamp function, I will do a append here. So using a concatenation timestamp again, concatenation followed by type. So what kind of type of file it is? .png. So this is the line that we need to provide. So you know how to take a screenshot, how to get the screenshot, how you can store the screenshot if it is a single, but how you can store a multiple screenshots. So using this one line called a simple date format. Now I will quickly run this program to show you how it will store the screenshot. Yeah, it is done. Now if you see this image folder is empty, I will go here and refresh this project. Now you can see there is an, I think I have given a image. Okay, it anyhow it has created a one new folder. So now you can see the screenshot. There is a year, month, date, hours and minutes and seconds. So this is how it will create. If I don't provide this kind of date format here, always it will create as a screenshot, 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 and you don't know which screenshot you need to refer. So this will help you whenever your execution done. So execution date and time you will know. With that date and time you can go and check this screenshot. So you can open the screenshot using system editor. So you can see the screenshot it is captured. Hope you understand this session. In case if you have any questions, queries, you can post in my comment section and help you out. And do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.